Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, April 28th, 2018. Days of Noah. As catastrophic flooding and torrential hail continues in the Middle East and Africa. Storms from the 25th through the 27th caused record-breaking flooding and killed nearly 100 people. In Syria, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Israel, Jerusalem, Iran, and Algeria. On the 27th, a torrential rain bomb caused severe flooding in San Miguelito, Panama. Heavy rain and destructive hail hit Buenos Aires, Argentina on the 27th, causing damage to vehicles and homes. Also on the 27th, an anomalous storm brought hurricane-force winds to Honduras. Also on the 27th, residents forced to evacuate after 10 sinkholes open in Ocala, Florida. Engineers have surveyed the area, but have yet to find the cause. According to a new study, wave-driven flooding from rising seas will leave many Pacific islands uninhabitable before mid-century. This annual flooding will result in the islands becoming uninhabitable because of frequent damage to infrastructure and the inability of their freshwater aquifers to recover between overwash events. The study suggests that many of these Pacific atoll islands will be rendered uninhabitable by 2030. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.